Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and most in-depth tech reviews. Today we are diving into the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S22, the latest flagship smartphone from the tech giant. Is this the ultimate smartphone that will change the game? Let's find out. As I go on with this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to support my channel. Let's start with the design and display of the Samsung Galaxy S22. The sleek and premium design of the phone is a sight to behold, with its glass back and metal frame giving it a luxurious look and feel. The display is stunning with a vibrant and crisp OLED panel that delivers sharp and vivid colors. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and gaming experience, making it a joy to use. When it comes to performance, the Samsung Galaxy S22 is a powerhouse. The latest Exynos or Snapdragon processor paired with ample RAM ensures smooth and snappy performance, whether you are multitasking or playing graphic-intensive games. The phone breezes through daily tasks and heavy usage without breaking a sweat, making it a top contender in the smartphone market. One of the standout features of the Samsung Galaxy S22 is its camera. The triple or quad camera setup delivers stunning photos with great detail and dynamic range. The AI features enhance the camera capabilities, providing impressive night mode shots and portrait modes. The video quality is also top-notch, with the ability to shoot in 8K resolution, making it a versatile tool for content creators. In terms of battery life, the Samsung Galaxy S22 impresses with its long-lasting battery that can easily get you through a full day of heavy usage. The fast charging feature ensures you can quickly top up your battery when needed, while wireless charging adds convenience to the overall user experience. So, is the Samsung Galaxy S22 the ultimate smartphone? With its premium design, stunning display, powerful performance, impressive camera capabilities, and long-lasting battery life, it certainly makes a strong case for being one of the best smartphones in the market. If you're looking for a flagship phone that offers the ultimate user experience, then the Samsung Galaxy S22 might just be the one for you. Remember to keep your finger on the pulse for our next video escapade. Thank you for tuning in, and I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments section. Remember to show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing for more content